7 benefits of almonds. 1. Rich in nutrients. Almonds are packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. They also provide healthy fats and protein. 2. Good for heart health. Almonds can help reduce LDL bad cholesterol and are associated with improved heart health due to their high antioxidant and healthy fat content. 3. Supports weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds can aid in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and helping regulate appetite. 4. Improves brain function. The nutrients in almonds, particularly vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, can enhance brain function and slow cognitive decline. 5. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin E in almonds acts as an antioxidant, which helps protect skin cells from damage and promotes a glowing complexion. 6. Helps manage blood sugar. Almonds can improve insulin sensitivity and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for those with type 2 diabetes. 7. Boosts bone health. Almonds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Best time to eat almonds. Morning. Eating almonds in the morning, especially after soaking them overnight, can give you an energy boost and aid digestion. The nutrients are better absorbed, and they provide sustained energy throughout the day. Pre-workout snack. A handful of almonds before exercise provides a source of natural energy and protein to support muscle repair. As a snack, almonds are a great mid-morning or afternoon snack to help curb hunger and maintain steady blood sugar levels.